Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by measuring 2 cups of liquid base, such as fruit juice, yogurt, or blended fruit, and add 1/4 cup sugar or sweetener to taste. Mix well until smooth and taste for sweetness. Adjust by 1 tablespoon increments if needed. Pour the mixture into a heavy-duty zip-top bag, leaving 1 inch of headspace in the bag before sealing to allow expansion. Press out as much air as possible, and flatten the bag into a thin rectangle about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch thick for even freezing. Place the sealed and flattened bag on a baking tray and lay it flat in your freezer so it freezes evenly and stays thin. Freeze at standard freezer temperature, about 0 degrees Fahrenheit, which gives consistent ice crystal formation and prevents freezer burn. For a thin 1/4 to 1/2 inch layer, allow 4 to 6 hours for a firm set. For thicker bars or fruit chunks, allow overnight. If you want faster results, set the tray on the coldest shelf and avoid opening the freezer while it sets to prevent temperature loss. To remove the frozen sheet, hold the sealed bag under cold running water for 10 to 20 seconds on the outside to loosen the edges without melting the center. Peel the bag away gently, then use a sharp knife to cut into 8 to 10 bars or desired shapes and insert wooden sticks into each bar. Press the stick in and refreeze for 10 minutes to secure. For variations, try yogurt, coconut milk, or 50% fruit puree for a creamier texture. Add chopped fruit or drizzled chocolate before cutting for a layered effect.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.